Okay class, welcome to our next lesson. No? So our next lesson is about arrays. No? So if you can remember about variables, no? Ang mga variables, they can only contain single values. No? Ang pinagkaiba ng array sa mga variable is that an array can contain several values at once. No? So for example, we have an array called, we have a variable called car. No? Since ang car, kung gusto natin maraming laman ng car, since we have different kinds of cars. For example, we have BMW, we have Volvo, we have Toyota. If we want to put 3 values in these cars, we just simply use the array. So, we use the array function followed by a parenthesis, no? Sa loob ng parenthesis na ito, ilalagay natin yung mga values na gusto natin ilagay sa car, no? Okay, terminate with semicolon. So, first, since meron tayong BMW na value, first value that we assigned in our car variable using the array function. Next, meron tayong Toyota. Okay? And finally, we have, for example, lagyan natin dito na, ano pa ba? Honda. For example, Honda. So, now, mapapansin nyo, tatlo na ang value ng ating car, no? So, instead of just placing one value in our variable, we can now place 3 values in our variable car using the array function. Okay? So, an array function uses an index key. Itong mga values na ito class ng ating array, they have their corresponding indexes, no? Or number index. So, ang ating BMW nag-start siya sa index 0, Toyota nag-start siya sa index 1, ang Honda nag-start sa index 2, lagi nag-umpisa sa index 0, So, kung gusto nating tawagin, isa-isa ito, we use those indexes, no? So, for example, echo. If we want to output, for example, Toyota, first, we write our variable, we write the variable name, followed by these brackets, to opening and close brackets, tapos gagamitin lang natin yung index that is assigned to this value, Since ito ay index 0, ito index 1, ito index 2, ilalagay natin dito yung index 1, Then we terminate with a semicolon. We save it. Kaya lang base Toyota, okay? Ngayon class, kung ginawa naman natin itong index 0, we save it, lalabas ay si BMW. At ganun din ang mangyayari pagka nilagay natin si index 2, lalabas naman ay si Honda. We save it, lalabas ay si Honda. Okay class, kung gusto natin lahat ay palabasin, we can just echo them all simultaneously, and we just change the index here to 1 and index here to 0. If we save it and we refresh it, kita nyo, lumabas lahat. Kung gusto naman natin lagyan ng break line, we just use this br, okay, which is an HTML statement, tag pala. Let's just copy this, Control C, para naman may new line statement tayo, hindi dire-diretso pagka in-output. We change the index to 1, 2, we save this, we refresh this, okay. So all of these values are contained in a single variable using the array function. Okay, that's it for our array. Thank you for watching the videos, and I hope you guys had fun learning PHP.